teamwork, dedication and precision. That's what it came to as Jamaica's Sunshine Girls took to the court for an exciting 3-day test series against South Africa at the National Indoor Sport Centre. The goal? To win the Margaret Beckford Sunshine Series. Having ended 2024 at number 3 on the World Netball Global Ranking, the Sunshine Girls were more than ready to unleash, going head-to-head with South Africa in a thrilling series that started on Wednesday, January 18. And at the end of day 1, the scoreboard recorded victory. On day 2, January 22, the support for the team was incredible, as the Jamaicans turned out to witness another thrilling match that would solidify the fate of the Sunshine Girls. And as much was demanded from them, they delivered, leaving no stones unturned as they secured another win. Defender Latanya Wilson stole the show, earning MVP honors for that game.
I looked behind of me and in front of me and I said, guys, we need to get one and we work together as a unit. I'll be selfish to say it's only me here on court, but I think it was a defense unit and it was an all-in-one, a team unit as well.
The girls have built a good cohesion. They have been mentally tough. They have showed resilience in terms of their preparation and in terms of their competition. Still more room for growth because it's an early season in our journey. It's our second test and the fact that they have won back-to-back is quite impressive.
Well, obviously we're very happy, that Jamaica win. We didn't expect anything less, the Sunshine Girls, them shining tonight, and I'm very happy. I know it's actually my first time watching a game, so I'm very, very happy at the game.
Well, from the performances that I have seen, not just now, but with the other matches that have been played, very soon we will be ranking number 1 or at least number 2. So I'm very proud of the girls. I'm very proud of what they're doing. And most importantly, I'm proud of the sport administrators. They have done an amazing job in the organization of the sport, in bringing more attention to the sport, and in the resurgence of the sport in Jamaica.
Having secured a 55-47 day 1 and a 59-47 day 2 wins, the Margaret Beckford Sunshine Series trophy was already in the bag. So it was a confident team that entered the court on day 3, already knowing that they were champions. And so it started. With every pass, score, and defensive move, the Sunshine Girls displayed their strength and skill against the worthy team South Africa. And after an intense match, the score 58-47 sealed a clean 3-0 series triumph over South Africa. Goal shooter Shimona Jock was named Player of the Series, while captain and goalkeeper Shamera Sterling Humphrey was named Player of the Match for her defensive performance.
It's a great opportunity to be the player of the series. It just goes to show how the teamwork, being at the end to be able to deliver them is a great opportunity because we all did our jobs out there, so it could have gone to either one of us, which I'll be greatly celebrated either way.
A proud Minister of Sport, Olivia Grange, was on hand to congratulate the team.
We expected to win the series because we never fall short. I really want to congratulate them. I want to congratulate Netball Jamaica for doing such an excellent job. And I am certainly looking forward to give as much support as I can to the youth team who will be competing later this year.
Congratulations to the Sunshine Girls. What a great performance by them. We really enjoyed every single moment in South Africa. The crowd was great. We've learned a lot.
The Sunshine Girls have once again proven why they remain one of the top netball teams in the world. With great teamwork, passion and skills, they have certainly made their mark.